Is your hybrid vehicle's engine running hotter than usual, or are your cooling fans blasting at full speed non-stop even when the car is just idling? You might be dealing with trouble code P261D, which indicates a problem with the coolant pump B control circuit high. This is a very specific issue that mostly affects modern hybrids from manufacturers like Ford, Toyota and Honda because they use a secondary electric water pump to keep the inverter and other critical electronics cool independently of the main engine. When the powertrain control module or PCM tries to command this pump to turn on, it monitors the voltage signal returning from the circuit, and if that signal is higher than the manufacturer's limit, it sets this code. The severity here is high because if this pump is not working, your hybrid system can overheat rapidly, leading to a shutdown or expensive component failure, so do not ignore the check engine light or the malfunction indicator lamp. You might also notice your IC system blowing warm air because the cooling loop is compromised. To fix this, you need to locate the coolant pump B, which is usually mounted on the front of the engine, inside the wheel well, or against the firewall depending on your specific model. Start by visually inspecting the electrical connector for any signs of corrosion, melted plastic or bare wires that might have rubbed against the chassis. If the connector looks green or burnt, use some electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush to scrub it clean, then apply some dielectric grease. If the wiring looks fine, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter or DVOM to test the pump itself. Disconnect the harness and measure the resistance across the pump terminals, and if you see an open circuit or 0 ohms, the pump is dead and needs to be replaced. You also need to verify that you are getting 12 volts to the supply wire when the key is on. If you have power and a good ground but the pump refuses to spin, then swapping out the pump is your best bet to get your vehicle back on the road safely.